Welcome to my channel Cherish Physics. Let us see some important equations in Hermite's differential equation. It is y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2ny equal to 0. Now let us see the general formula and Rodriguez formula of Hermite's polynomial. Its general formula is hn of x equal to sum of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power k into n factorial into 2x to the power of n minus 2k divided by k factorial into n minus 2k factorial, where n equal to n by 2 if n is even and n equal to n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Now let us see Rodriguez formula. Hn of x equal to minus 1 to the power n into e power x squared into d to the power n by dx to the power n of e power minus x squared. To find Hermite's polynomial for various n values, we use the equation hn plus 1 of x equal to 2x into hn minus 2n into hn minus 1. h naught of x equal to 1, h1 of x equal to 2x. Let us find h2 of x. Use the equation hn plus 1 of x equal to 2x into hn minus 2n into hn minus 1. Let n equal to 1 and substitute this in the above equation. We get h2 of x equal to 2x into h1 minus 2n into h0. Substitute the value of h1 and h0. We get 2x into 2x minus 2 into 1, n value is 1 and h0 value is also 1. So h2 of x equal to 4x squared minus 2. Similarly, let us find h3 of x. To find h3 of x, let n equal to 2. By the use of the equation, we get h3 of x equal to 2x into h2 minus 2 into n value is 2, so 2 into h1 equal to 2x, substitute the value of h2, 4x squared minus 2 minus 4 into h1 value is 2x, so we get 8x cube minus 4x minus 8x. Therefore, h3 of x equal to 8x cube minus 12x. So we can also easily find the Hermite's polynomial values, and h2 of x equal to 4x squared minus 2, h3 of x equal to 8x cube minus 12x, and h4 of x equal to 16x power 4 minus 48x squared plus 12. Now let us see Laguerre's differential equation. It is x into y double dash plus 1 minus x into y dash plus n into y equal to 0. Next, let's see the general and Rodriguez formula of Laguerre's polynomial. It has two forms of general formula. First one is Ln of x equal to sum of k is equal to 0 to infinity into minus 1 the whole power k divided by k factorial the whole squared into n minus k factorial. Second one, Ln of x equal to n factorial into 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 into x squared divided by 2 factorial the whole squared minus, it goes on. The Rodriguez formula of Laguerre polynomial is Ln of x equal to e power x divided by n factorial into d to the power n by dx to the power n of e power minus x into x power n. We can find Laguerre's polynomial in terms of several n values. We use the equation n plus 1 into Ln plus 1 equal to 2n plus 1 minus x into Ln minus n into Ln minus 1. The first 5 Laguerre's polynomial is L naught of x equal to 1, L1 of x equal to 1 minus x, L2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into x squared minus 4x plus 2, L3 of x equal to 1 by 6 into minus x cube plus 9x squared minus 18x plus 6. L4 of x equal to 1 by 24 into x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 72x squared minus 96x plus 24. Now we are going to see one example to find Ln of x. Here we are going to find L2 of x. For that, let n equal to 1 and use the equation n plus 1 into Ln plus 1 equal to 2n plus 1 minus x into Ln minus n into Ln minus 1. Substitute n equal to 1 in the above equation, we get 2L2 equal to 3 minus x into L1 minus n value is 1. So 1 into L0 is equal to 3 minus x into 1 minus x. L1 value is 1 minus x minus 1 because L0 value is 1. Multiply the first two terms, we get 3 minus 3x minus x plus x squared minus 1. This implies 2L2 equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2. Therefore, L2 equal to 1 by 2 into x squared minus 4x plus 2. Here is some important points that may ask in the competitive exam. In the legendary polynomial, the integral values is from minus 1 to plus 1. If suppose the x value is 1 means then Pn of 1 equal to 1. Second one, Pn of minus x equal to minus 1 the whole power n into Pn of x. From the above two equation, we get Pn of minus 1 equal to minus 1 the whole power n. In Hermite polynomial, the integral over value is from minus infinity to plus infinity. In Laguerre polynomial, the integration is from 0 to infinity. Thank you.